In this video, I'll be showing you how to design a YouTube thumbnail in 60 seconds. So let's go. What you have to do is come to Canva. This is Canva and I already have my YouTube thumbnail ready, guys. So after I have picked your YouTube thumbnail, just come to customize it to fit your own details. Click on the background, change it to your brown color, minus, then click here and change the image to your own image. Yes, all you have to do is to flip your image. How to design YouTube thumbnail in. So there you go, guys. This is your YouTube thumbnail in 60 seconds. So if you like this video, like this video, subscribe to watch for more, guys. Thank you.